In this video, I'll be showing you a simple steps on how you can submit your Canadian tax info in Google AdSense. First is to log into your Google AdSense and head to the Manage Tax Info. Once you're here, you just need to tap on the Add Tax Info and reminder that you have to authenticate the application before you can add your tax info. So just log in your Google AdSense again and then select the individual as an option and then click the next button. Here you have to select the no since we are a non-US citizen and you have to fill in the W8BEN form. Now, you just need to click the Start with W8BEN form and just fill in all the details needed here. And once you're done, just click the next button. And then here you have to agree or tap the yes option for the tax treaty. And also you need to select your country, which is Canada. After doing that, you have to select the service, which is AdSense, and make sure that you are checking this checkbox. And just select the Article 7, Paragraph 1, and also a 0% reduced rate for the withholding rate. You have to do this in the motion picture, which includes the YouTube and Google Play, and select the Article 12 and Paragraph 1 and also a 0% of withholding rate. So just do the same on the other copyrights and then tap the next. And also, you just need to click the checkbox here as a confirmation for the reviewal of these forms. Here you have to provide your full legal name in your AdSense as a signature and then tap the no in the checkbox. And then you just need to tap on the second option and check the checkbox here. And finally, click the submit button. And that's it. That's how you can submit your Canadian tax info in Google AdSense. And thank you for listening.